All right, next up we got Ralph's going to do some personal 2016 finest baseball. We opened half this case yesterday. Let's see what we got. Good luck, sir. Ralph Macchio. How'd you know that's who was buying this? He's a big collector. He's gonna straight crane kick me to the face if this isn't good. Alright, Hernandez. Refractor. Intimidators. Ichiro. Actually, I hadn't seen that one before. Ice. Syndergaard. 11 of 25. Orange parallel. It's a nice hit there. Autograph. Daniel Norris. Tigers. Peace. Shucks, son. And Miguel Sano. Finest first rookies. Mini box 2. Dude got lit up last night by my Nats. That's right. Dude got lit up last night by my Nats. Dark Knight. Get out of here. Correa. Hosmer to 250. No, my Nats. Come on now. Let's get our mind out of the gutter. Good grief. And very nice. Numbered to 300. Finest grade signatures. Juan Gonzalez. Nolan Ryan. Intimidators. And the last pack. Stephen Piscotty, number to 150, blue. Alright, very nice. Alright, that will do it for the first box. Ralph, let me know if you want to keep going, buddy. I appreciate it, man.